First of all, when we talk about AI, I think it's important to come with definitions because a lot of people have different ideas of what this is. So I'm going to assert the simple definition that AI is basically exceeding or matching the capabilities of a human. So we're trying to match the intelligence, whatever that means, and capabilities of a human subject. Now, what could that involve? There's a number of different things. For instance, one of them is the ability to discover, to find out new information. Another is the ability to infer, to read in information from other sources that maybe has not been explicitly stated. And then also the ability to reason, the ability to figure things out. I put this and this together and I come up with something else. So I'm going to suggest to you this is what AI is, and that's the definition we'll use for this discussion. Now, what kinds of things then would be involved if we were talking about doing machine learning? Well, machine learning, I'm going to put that over here, is basically a capability. We'll start with a Venn diagram. Machine learning involves predictions or decisions based on data. Think about this as a very sophisticated form of statistical analysis. It's looking for predictions based upon information that we have. So the more we feed into the system, the more it's able to give us accurate predictions and decisions based upon that data. It's something that learns, that's the L part, rather than having to be programmed. When we program a system, I have to come up with all the code, and if I want it to do something different, I have to go change the code and then get a different outcome. In the machine learning situation, what I'm doing could be adjusting some models, but it's different than programming. And mostly it's learning the more data that I give to it. So it's based on large amounts of information. And there's a couple of different fields within, a couple of different types. There is supervised machine learning, and as you might guess, there's an unsupervised machine learning. And the main difference, as the name implies, is one has more human oversight, looking at the training of the data, using labels that are superimposed on the data. Unsupervised is kind of able to run more and find things that were not explicitly stated. Okay, so that's machine learning.